السلام عليكم. نحن اليوم متواجدين بمنطقة ضمن بلدية الفاتح بمشروع جير اسطنبول الذي يكون قريب من منطقة التوب كابي. أكثر ما يميز أو أبرز ما يميز المشروع هو الطراز العثماني الموجود فيه والكونسبت التراثي، وأيضا يكون قريب من بحر مرمرة مباشرة، والمشروع أيضا بضمان الحكومة التركية. تابعونا.
It is a leading company with over 30 years of experience in construction area. In this project, we are working in cooperation with Konut, which is supported by government, which means our project is under government guarantee. Our company has built more than 1 million square meter construction area. Our project is located on Fatih. Fatih is the oldest part of Istanbul. You know, Istanbul is a fascinating city which blends tradition and modernity, east and west. It is right on the western part of the historical peninsula in Yedikule. Yedikule, named after the 7 towers of Istanbul's historical walls, which is just behind us. It's also seafront project. We have a land of 40,000 square meters and 10 blocks in total. 5 of them are historical buildings. We will renovate them. We are offering the apartment sizing from 1+1 to 6+1. We offer lots of services like 5-star hotels, such as 24/7 securities, concierge services. We will have social facilities including indoor swimming pool, well-equipped gym. We are very proud to have created this kind of amazing project which will revive the history that once witnessed a deep-rooted culture. For example, our residential buildings will be low-rise, on the contrary of the other projects in this area, and it will be in tune with the historical buildings. For example, we will use just steel, glass and wood materials on the surface.